Good morning, Tucson Weather Peeps. How you doing? It's Thursday, what I like to call Friday Eve. It's August 9th, 7:19 in the morning. And I wanted to start off this morning with rainfall amounts from last night. Man, my parakeets are noisy again this morning. Some pretty nice rain around 10 o'clock last night, maybe 9:30 to 10:30, somewhere in there. And here's where I live, right in here somewhere, right in there. And no rain here in southern Oro Valley. But I was watching this storm last night, some cool lightning shots, cool lightning strikes, and some thunder, and 39 100s at this rain log location. Rainlog.org is where I am. And then the really good news was the center part of town, which has been kind of dry compared to the rest of us for this monsoon, got some rain last night. So very exciting. Flowing wells about 19 100. So here's a third of an inch. In southern Marana, we got 8/10 here. And right across the street, half an inch. So that's the nature of storms, right? But even near the University of Arizona, where they've been, again, relatively dry this monsoon, a third of an inch to a quarter inch. There's a half inch right here. Very exciting. Down near Reed Park Zoo, a third of an inch, 0.4 here. The airport only picked up a tenth. Wah, 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 wah. However, we're in a pretty favorable monsoon regime, at least for the next couple of days, and probably into next week. We'll get into that in just a second. Only 91 yesterday, after 105 the day before, so we dropped 14 degrees with the increased moisture, the increased cloud cover. It was a very pleasant day, although, kind of muggy. 97, our average high, so well below that. Record 108 yesterday. Our low, 74, right at average, so a below average day temperature-wise yesterday. Just a trace at the airport, we're almost half inch below average for the year now. And here's your forecast. Looking pretty good. Maybe some breaks in the clouds today, and I think we'll see that. And looks like probably storms forming a little earlier in the day to our east and closer. And so that should mean earlier storms moving into the metro this afternoon. Today's high 95, so still below average, a little warmer than yesterday. 30% chance of showers and storms this afternoon, and some locally heavy rainfall possible too. Our dew point's in the 60s, so it's moisture is in place for sure. 75 tonight, 50% chance of storms. Some of those storms could last into the overnight. And we do it again tomorrow, mostly cloudy day, some breaks in the clouds. 93 for a high as a result of less sunshine, but still a 40% chance of showers and storms, and a 50% chance tomorrow night. Again, could last into the overnight. Saturday we keep it going, scattered storms in the afternoon, 93, 40% chance of storms Saturday night. Now the Weather Service in their official forecast has dropped the storm chances a little bit as we get into Sunday and next week, 20 to 30% day and night, and temperatures back into the upper 90s, but that's still at average. And there's some indications with the forecast models that maybe we'll keep this more 30-40% going as we go into next week. So we'll just keep an eye on that. There'll be variations on this theme from day to day, and so we'll see. But the next Thursday, Friday, Saturday, today, counting today, the next 3 days look pretty active. Let's check out the Weather Prediction Center and see what they say, kind of broad brush. And here's Arizona, and here's Tucson. Wait, here's Tucson. Anyway, flash flooding, heavy rainfall possible with our scattered storms across much of the Four Corners and into Texas. This stationary front is going to be a focus for Texas for some possible heavy rainfall and flooding rains as we get into tomorrow. And we're still in the flash flood possibilities, heavy rainfall possible as we get into tomorrow for not only southeastern Arizona, but much of eastern Arizona up into Phoenix, up to Prescott even. New Mexico looks wet, far west Texas, into central Texas, close to north Texas. So anyway, here's where the bullseye is for the heavy rain tomorrow. And then we get into Saturday, and the heavy rain retreats a little bit, but still scattered storms across the Four Corners and along this stationary front again for West Texas, far West Texas into North Texas, some heavy rainfall too. So active storm pattern Scattered showers and storms locally, heavy rainfall possible, hopefully near you. Today's high 95, 93, 93, Friday, Saturday. 30, 40, 40, 30, 40, 30% chance afternoon storms, 50, 50, 40 evening and overnight storms. This is looking really good. So hopefully not only will the airport catch up and surpass year-to-date rainfall averages, but the rest of us will get in on the action too. So heavy rainfall possible, hopefully near you. And we'll talk more about this tomorrow morning, and we'll keep you posted. Maybe tonight, maybe I'll jump on here. I don't know. We'll see. If you're watching this on YouTube, like it, subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell so you don't miss any future little videos like this, and comment if you like. I'm trying to do a better job to check the comments, and we'll just keep this Tucson weather thing going. And of course, TucsonWeather.us, always available as well. That information is there. You can click on this WPC thing and check out the Weather Prediction Center for your own self. Have a fantastic day. Viva Monsoon 2018.